The Five Members Case: An Analysis of National Security versus Executive Power. Presentation Overview. Five Members Case. The Five Members Case is a landmark legal case in the United Kingdom that had significant historical and legal implications. It involved the arrest and impeachment of five members of parliament by King Charles I in 1642. Background: the Five Members Case was a significant event in the lead-up to the British Civil War. It was a clash between the power of the monarch and the rights of Parliament. Key players: the Five Members Case involved five members of Parliament who were accused of treason by King Charles I. They were John Pine, John Hampden, William Strode, Denzil Hollis, and Sir Arthur Castlereagh. Historical significance: the Five Members Case was a significant moment in British constitutional history, demonstrating the power struggle between the monarchy and Parliament. Its outcome had a lasting impact on the legal system and the balance of power between the monarch and Parliament. Overview of Five Members Case. Background of the case. The Five Members Case was a landmark legal case that dealt with issues of national security and executive power. It arose in a unique political context and had significant implications for the balance of power between the executive and the legislative branches of government. Key players. The Five Members Case involved several key players, including the judges who presided over the case and the government officials who were involved in the events leading up to it. Each of these players had a significant impact on the outcome of the case. Background: the Five Members Case. The Five Members Case took place in 1641 during a time of great political upheaval in the United Kingdom. It involved the attempted arrest of five members of the House of Commons by King Charles I, which led to a constitutional crisis and increased tensions between the monarchy and Parliament. Tensions between King Charles I and Parliament. The tensions between King Charles I and Parliament had been building for some time due to disagreements over taxation, religion, and political power. The attempted arrest of the five members was a critical moment in this ongoing conflict. Role of the Privy Council. The Privy Council was an important institution in 17th century England, responsible for advising the monarch and carrying out government policies. Its role in the attempted arrest of the five members sparked controversy and contributed to the political crisis that followed. Key players. Government officials. Government officials played a key role in the Five Members Case, bringing the charges against the accused and shaping the course of the trial. Presiding judges. The Five Members Case was presided over by a number of judges, each with their own background and motivations. Events leading to the case. The impeachment of the Earl of Strafford. The impeachment of the Earl of Strafford was a key event that led to the Five Members Case. Strafford was a close advisor to King Charles I, and his impeachment by Parliament fueled tensions between the King and Parliament. The dissolution of Parliament. The dissolution of Parliament by King Charles I in 1629 was another significant event that led to the Five Members Case. Charles I ruled without Parliament for 11 years, which led to increased tensions between the king and his subjects. The attempted arrest of the five members. The attempted arrest of the five members by King Charles I in 1642 was the immediate cause of the Five Members Case. This event led to the confrontation between the king and Parliament, which ultimately led to the English Civil War. Impact and significance. Historical significance of the Five Members Case. The Five Members Case was a landmark case in the legal history of the United Kingdom, establishing the principle that parliamentary privilege is not absolute and subject to judicial review. Impact on executive power. The Five Members Case had a lasting impact on issues of executive power in the United Kingdom, establishing the principle of accountability and limiting the power of the monarch. Impact on parliamentary privilege. The five members case had a significant impact on issues of parliamentary privilege, establishing the principle that parliamentary privilege is not absolute and subject to judicial review. Historical significance. The five members case. The five members case was a highly significant moment in the history of the United Kingdom, marking a major turning point in the relationship between the monarchy and parliament. Development of constitutional law. The five members case played a critical role in shaping the development of constitutional law in the United Kingdom, setting important precedents and establishing new limits on the power of the monarch. Impact on legal system. Principle of parliamentary privilege. The five members case established the principle of parliamentary privilege, which is a fundamental principle of the UK legal system today. Parliamentary privilege is a legal immunity enjoyed by members of parliament, protecting them from being held accountable for things they say or do in the course of their parliamentary duties. Limiting the power of the monarchy. The five members case helped to limit the power of the monarchy and establish the supremacy of parliament, which is a key principle of the UK legal system today. Impact on executive power. The five members case had a lasting impact on the issue of executive power, shaping the way that the UK legal system handles issues related to the executive branch of government. Conclusion. The five members case had a profound impact on the legal system of the United Kingdom, establishing the principle of parliamentary privilege and limiting the power of the monarchy. Thank you.